Disassembling machinery is a necessary process for maintenance, repair, or storage. When done incorrectly, it can lead to damaged components, lost parts, and safety hazards. This guide will walk you through the process of safe and proper machine disassembly and storage. We will cover the importance of using the right tools, step-by-step disassembly, handling delicate parts, labeling, and proper storage techniques. Before you begin, it's crucial to understand the machine you're working with. Consult the user manual, diagrams, and any other relevant documentation. This will give you a clear picture of the machine's components, their functions, and how they fit together. Familiarizing yourself with the machine will make the disassembly process smoother and help you avoid potential pitfalls. Safety should be your top priority throughout the entire process. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection, to protect yourself from sharp edges, moving parts, and debris. Disconnect the machine from its power source and double-check that it's completely de-energized before you begin any disassembly. Finally, remember that patience is key. Disassembling a machine is not a race. Take your time, work carefully, and don't rush the process. Having the right tools is essential for safe and efficient machine disassembly. Using the wrong tools can damage components, slow down the process, and even pose safety risks. Here are some essential tools you'll need. A set of both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers in various sizes is crucial for removing screws. A set of combination wrenches with both open and closed ends in various sizes will help you loosen and tighten nuts and bolts. A socket set with a variety of sockets and extensions is useful for reaching nuts and bolts in tight spaces. Needle nose pliers are great for handling small parts, while adjustable pliers can grip larger components. A rubber mallet or a ball peen hammer can be used for tapping parts loose without causing damage. A set of hex keys, Allen wrenches, is essential for loosening and tightening set screws. Remember to choose tools that are the correct size and type for the job. Using tools that are too large or too small can strip screws, round off nuts, and damage components. During reassembly. Section 4. Handling with care. Delicate components demand respect. Not all machine components are created equal. Some parts, like gears, bearings, and electronic components, are particularly delicate and require extra care during disassembly and handling. Support heavy parts. If you're working with a large machine, use appropriate lifting equipment or get assistance to support heavy components as you disassemble them. Avoid force. Never force a part. If something is stuck, re-evaluate the situation. Consult the user manual or seek help. Wear gloves. When handling delicate components, wear clean gloves to prevent corrosion from fingerprints. Use cushioning. When setting down delicate parts, place them on a soft, clean surface to avoid scratches or impacts. Remember, a little extra care when handling delicate components can go a long way in preventing damage and ensuring the longevity of your machine. Section 5. Organization is key. Labeling and storing for easy retrieval. Proper labeling and organization are essential for a smooth reassembly process. Imagine trying to put together a complex puzzle without knowing where each piece goes. That's what it's like trying to reassemble a machine without a system for labeling and storing parts. Label everything. Use permanent markers to label every part or group of parts clearly. Include information like the part name, location, and any relevant orientation. Use Ziploc bags. Small Ziploc bags are great for storing screws, nuts, washers, and other small parts. Label the bags clearly and consider using different colors for different sections of the machine. Storage containers. For larger components, use sturdy storage containers that are appropriately sized. Label each container with its contents and stack them neatly. By keeping your disassembled parts organized and labeled, you'll save yourself a lot of time and frustration when it's time to put everything back together.